Well guys, here's my Weeden 666. I have given it new sight glass seals. I have removed the fittings completely and removed the washers that I think were some other repair, and used Permamex high temp steam water sealant. I have a little brass topper that I had an extra unpainted throttle. She's running. Took me quite a while to wait. I think the heater's a little weak, but she's running. Not very fast. It's about as fast as she'll go. All right, just for giggles, let's see if I can get her to go in the reverse direction. So that's like stop in the middle. Doesn't do anything. Do it one more time. That's reverse. Trying to go, and oh, almost. Let's see. Try to let it build up a little steam. Usually when you have a reverser like this, the engine runs stronger one direction than the other. There we go, she's trying. But not so much. All right, let's go back in the forward position. Let's see if she'll go. There we go. I think it might speed up a little bit. I'll leave her alone. I mean, technically, the Weeden 666 is running. Would not call it a strong runner. No. See what's happening with the whistle. Sounds pretty good. And we look at the sight glass. Got an air bubble or something there. Straightening it up a little bit. You can see where I'm using the Permamex seal. I don't actually remember seeing any of my Weedens, whether they're these ones that just screw in, and I guess the ones that are like poured elbow, I mean, they don't screw in, they're soldered in or sweated in. I don't remember them ever having like little seals. But I like this Permamex a lot better, regardless. Now, earlier in the video, I talked about these standoffs reminding me being like an empire. So does this little hut, and the way they designed this oscillating piston is very much like an empire of this era in the 30s, early 40s. All right, well, I guess success. Yay. Weeden 666, number of the beast. Toot, toot.